back to the Real Tea and Fishing YouTube channel. We came to this spot a few months ago. The water was super high and it was the middle of winter still, so I couldn't really navigate anywhere. I have a feeling the water's probably still kind of high because we received like over 12 inches of rain last month here in the Tennessee Valley for the month of May. But it's a little bit warmer, so I'll be able to traverse through the water a little better today. So we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see what happens. And hey, who knows, maybe we'll have a little bit of luck. As always, thanks for tagging along. And hey, let's go fishing, y'all. I can hear the water. Hopefully it's not that high. But there's only one way to find out. Moving a little bit. All right, y'all, that's a fish. Little bluegill. Little guy. Whoop. Ah! Well, there he goes. All right. Well, I'm gonna just sit here and bobber fish. All right, there's another one. They're not real big up here. There are some decent sized ones in here in the summertime. But little guy. All right, guys, so here's the setup we're using today. This is just a Bass Pro Shop reel. It's the dough bait special. Just a little ultralight reel, nothing fancy. It's I think that's 2 pound, just Bass Pro Shop monofilament line. And then we're using a swivel with a pre-tied size 6 hook. And then we've got a bobber on there. And we're just using some red worms. Number 3. Little guy. I've seen some decent sized ones out there. It's just the fact of the matter, can we get them to bite? That's a better one, y'all. Which it doesn't take much for one to be better here. Oh yeah. That one's fat. I want to hurt these fish. There we go. Whoop, 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 whoop. Well, that one had some real good color to it. That's a better one. There we go, y'all. Might be the best one yet. They're so little, I'm trying to hold them up to the camera there. And they're one of my favorite kinds of fishing. Just a ultralight rod and reel, just a bobber and a worm. And man, you really couldn't ask for a much better setting. It is beautiful out here. Got to be quick with these gills. They are sneaky. Fast too. It's a better one. They have some beautiful color to them up here. Let him go. Got him. A little guy. He's not horrible. Better fish. Oh yeah. That's about the going size today, but I didn't expect to come up here and catch any monsters. He's a good size one though. For up here. That's a pretty good fish. Oh yeah. That's a real good one actually. Man, them fish are pretty. All right. We're gonna turn him loose. We're gonna head down that way. There's a nice open pool down there, so we'll go down there and we'll see if we can't catch some more. If not, we can always come back up here. Pretty good fish, y'all. Best one of the day right there. That's a good gill. A real good gill. About hand size. All right. It's a lot deeper up here than where we just were. Another nice sized gilly. Bites a lot slower up here. Than it is down there. We may go back down there for a few minutes and then we'll probably go ahead and call it a day. Caught quite a few fish. They're a lot bigger down here. Another good sized gill. Man, he's got some really pretty color on him. Well, get him? Yep. Look at, what is this? I have no idea what that is, y'all. Get the hook out of him. Almost looks like a bass. Like a little bass. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Trying to hold him up here, y'all get another look at him. Might be like a creek chub or something. I don't know. That's cool. Let him go. I'm not 100% sure what that was. If anybody knows, leave a comment and let me know. Man, come on, buddy. That color on this one, y'all. Real pretty. That orange belly. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and call it a morning. Been a pretty good morning. I think I probably ended up with somewhere between 25-30 fish. So we came to catch some bluegill, and that's exactly what we did. So I appreciate y'all tagging along. If you haven't already, hit that like and that subscribe button for me. We'll do it again next week, and God bless, and until next time y'all, hey, let's go fishing.